Hey yo, what's up guys? Assalamu alaikum. And today I have come another vegetable palace in Faridpur. This is Faridpur River Research Institute of Bangladesh. And this is a horror place, haunting place. I think there can be short horror movie. Was the area, and there is a staff quarter who worked here or living there, and this is the residence of the workers of River Research Institute. Let me see. I think it's a horror. It's a horror palace. Oh my god! But it looks so cute. Okay, in front of me there are many good places to see, and you can enjoy here. There are open field, garden, and well decorated roads. And this is a quarter, was a lungi. Okay, this is fruits hanging on the tree. Let's see. This is jackfruit, and still they have. This is also a quarter, and in front of my right side there is also a quarter. I think it is better for horror movie, nothing else. And if I make movie in future, horror movie in future, I will shoot my movie here. Okay, I'm going forward. Okay, this place is nice. It's raining, a light rain. Okay, I found someone who is going to bring water. There is also a dog. This is a quarter. And what I can see now, actually I want to say you can visit here. I found a cat. Let's see what he's doing. He's running to escape. Okay, then I am forwarding. And I showed you many places of Faridpur, and this is also a visiting place. You can visit here in your free time. And this is River Research Institute. Totally horror. The sound of rain is very interesting to me, and I am enjoying a lot. But also there is a light rain. Let's see them. The rain is not stopping. I'm feeling annoying, and I will go from here and I will show you the full palace of River Research Institute. There is an open field in front of me. People play here, children, students, and many people outside from the River Research Institute come here to play. The field is awesome. Okay, we are watching that light rain. They usually play here football, cricket, etc. And there is some games or some materials for the child. And there is also a school. This is an primary school. Sorry, this is a primary school, Nagai Vidyaniketan. Its name is Nagai Vidyaniketan, Nadi Gobeshona Institute Vidyaniketan. Sorry, Vidyaniketan. আমি দেখছি কাউকে এখান থেকে দৌড়ে আসতে, সে ভীষণ দৌড়ে আসতেছে। আরো দেখতে পাচ্ছি, মনে হচ্ছে এটা হচ্ছে বাংলাদেশ আর্মির একটা গাড়ি। তারা হয়তো কোনো বিশেষ ক্যাম্প পরিচালনার জন্য এখানে এসেছে বা গবেষণার জন্য। দেন এখানে একটা নতুন ভবনের কাজ চলতেছে, হয়তো বিদ্যালয় বা আপনার হতে পারে এটা কোনো থাকবার জায়গা ইত্যাদি ইত্যাদি। এখানে কিছু ম্যাটেরিয়ালস জমিয়ে রেখেছে তারা। আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন সুন্দর বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে। আমার সামনে একটা কৃষ্ণচূড়া গাছ। আমরা বৃষ্টিটা খানিক সময়ের জন্য উপভোগ করব। মাঠের উপর বৃষ্টি, কত সুন্দর দৃশ্য। গাছপালাগুলি সুন্দর সারিবদ্ধভাবে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে। এন্ড এই সাইডে দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আপনারা a goal bar which indicates this field football is played here. I will go forward, and the rain is disturbing me a lot. I cannot run, I cannot walk at a street. It is stopping me again and again. I don't know what I have to do. This is a Krishnachura gach, Krishnachura tree, and there is a treatment center who live here. If they need any kind of treatments, they came here and get all. Okay, let's see the charming environment of rain. Okay, again you can see the field from here. Wow, the scenery is beautiful and I love it. Okay, again I have started my journey from here, and this is a mosque. I found an army camp is here. I think they are doing some research about rivers of our country. Everyone knows that Bangladesh is a land of river, is a riverine country, and there is a guava tree. The place is very nice to see or visit here. And okay, I am going forward. Let's see. It is raining. There is a light rain. I don't know what they are doing here. Okay, I am forwarding, and I have reached the main place of the institute and the center of the institute. I found there is a tea table. Okay, I cannot record anymore from here because it is raining highly. I have to go a safe place to save me from rain. Okay, I am going. I am forwarding. And where from I can stay? Where I can stay? I am finding a place. I cannot find it yet. Okay, and I am going forward. Let's see, this is the main gate of this main gate of the institute, and I have to stay here for a few time until the rain is stopped. Okay, I found someone. Let's see. Okay, this is okay. I found someone who are waiting here for rain.